A phone? Yeah, why not?
What did your soulmate buy?
He bought a new phone.
Mine brought new sunglasses.
A ring light. Okay. Is he being serious? Not happening. He's rich? I mean, if he wants to buy it, then I guess. Another phone? How many phones does one need? No.
Did your soulmate buy a lot of things?
So many things.
Did he ask for a TikTok hoodie?
Yeah. How did you know?
You have to take a look at this.